Good morning, students, once again. So in my previous video you have seen that I have discussed the exercises of ostrich and the hedgehog, that was from D3 to D6, and D7 I have given you as a home assignment, but I would like to discuss about this D7 one as again. So what we have to do, we have to understand ourselves an hedgehog, and we have to write our ideas and the strategies which we have thought to defeat the ostrich in the race. We have to write in the form of a short paragraph, and I hope everyone has written, and but still I am sharing it in the group also. So just match your answer. It's not necessary that you should copy my answer, only have the ideas and try to write your own answer. This is a language. Don't bound yourselves in somebody's particular ideas, and everyone has or her individual ideas, so you should enhance your writing skills. Now today I am going to discuss this D8, which is value based question, and this question asks, what lesson do you learn from the story? Students, we have seen the characters ostrich and the hedgehog, and you got to know the nature, the characters of these two creatures, that is ostrich and the hedgehog. You felt whatever you feel about these characters. You realize that ostrich is rude in his nature. He became sometimes harsh, and in comparison of ostrich, the hedgehog was physically weak, but he was very much smart in his intelligence. So, but they have taught us a lesson also. With this story, we got to learn a lesson also. Now the question is providing you four options also, that is, we should not look down upon others, we should make fool of others, it is important to be clever, we should love our family. Students, definitely we should love our family. Sometimes cleverness is also required for the survivals, but I will not say that you should make a fool to anyone. The most appropriate answer of this question, that the lesson we used to learn from the story ostrich and the hedgehog, will be, we should not look down upon others. Students, all of you know, all are aware that we are the creatures, we all are living beings, and the human beings, the birds, the animals, the insects, every living being is sharing a same planet. Almighty has created us, so everyone who is on this earth is equal, so we should never look down upon others. Always feel that they are equals. So this will be, you can write your answer, that the lesson we get from the story ostrich and the hedgehog is that we should not look down upon others, because all the living beings on this earth are equal. Now you can see on next question, that is D6. It is a very interesting activity actually, which you all have to do, and you will get marks on it. So please make sure that each and every student of class 3 will participate. So what you have to do, you have to collect the image of one of your favorite animal. You can draw the pictures also, or you can cut and paste from somewhere, from the magazine or the newspaper. Put it on any hard base, like the cover of a copy or anything, the cartons, and with the help of punching machine, make two holes on two different sides, and with the help of thread or some other decorative materials, you have to make an attractive face mask. Wear that face mask and click a picture, send it to me. You will get the marks on that. Now, in D10, what you have to do? You have to write a speech. Students, on any occasion, speeches are being delivered by some important peoples. Like if you are having the celebration of Independence Day, your principal used to address you. Some of the students used to deliver a speech on the topic of Independence Day or the patriotism, anything. So here you have to write a speech on the topic, on the occasion. Actually, this speech is written for the school assembly on the occasion of Wildlife Day, and the topic is live and let live. You are having 2 points, and your which is mentioned here in your book, and you have to make a small speech. You have to write a small speech considering these 2 points. So these 2 points are: we share the same planet, we have no right to harm them. Students, you have to begin with dear friends. Speech uses to be start from a particular format, like if you are delivering the speech in the assembly, you will begin with good morning to each and every students, respected principal sir, and you used to address your classmates. You can begin the speech with my warm wishes to everyone, my warm greetings to everyone, and you can continue with the topic. So you have to first try yourself for writing the speech, and after that we will discuss in the class again. So this is your home assignment for today. So try to write this speech in a very simple language. And for help, I am sending my speech in your WhatsApp group. You can take help from there also. Okay? So stay safe, kids. It's very difficult situation for the human being.